just looking at myself, y'all. I'm gonna be somebody fine as grandma. You hear me? Y'all, I'm gonna have to try to keep Leroy from hollering at me. You better back up, Leroy. I'm married, and I ain't as old as you think I am, honey. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kirsty Denise. If you are new for the very first time, welcome. Come on in, take a seat, grab some popcorn, your wine, whatever floats your boat and tickle your pickle. Grab that and enjoy the show. Whatever you do, just make sure before you leave, you hit that subscribe button and you hit that notification bell. So that way you be notified whenever your girl uploads a video and you become part of the family. If you're a returning family member, what up, cousins? Y'all already know how we do it on this channel, okay? So as you probably read from the title, this is another wig review, hunty. Yes, your girl is slinging and banging them, okay? Slinging and banging? Slaying and laying? I like slaying and laying. Your girl is slaying and laying them, okay? Now today's wig I did get from wigtypes.com. So if you are interested in this unit I'm about to show y'all, you already know I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get y'all hands on her. Because what? Sharing is caring. Why wouldn't I do that for y'all? Y'all my peoples. We here. So y'all already know it's the summertime and we ain't trying to wear a whole bunch of hair during the summer because it's too hot for all that. So I did pick up a short wig, y'all. Y'all know I love me some short wigs, okay? This wig is from Outre, and it is the Wig Pop, and it is a synthetic full wig, and her name is Nigella. Hey, I like her name. Okay, Nigella. And y'all, I went a little risque, okay? And I got her in the color DRB2/charcoal gray. Hey, y'all know I try any color. Try any style, I don't care, okay? That's what I'm here for. Let's go ahead and pop open Miss Nigella and let's see how this is looking. So this is Nigella, okay, right out the pack. Now she is a full wig, so she has no combs, okay? All she comes with is adjustable straps, so that's all you get. So yeah, let's go ahead and try her on and let's see what she runs with, because I'm really excited about her. You know, I'm a little key excited. So let's see.
Production.
right, y'all. So I am done chopping and screwing Miss, what's her name? Nigella. That's her name. And honestly, I think she's cute, y'all. Like, she just needed a little bit of work up in here, a little bit of layers. But I think she's cute. I definitely would rock her. Y'all know I love to wear my short wigs with hats. So let me grab my hat and we can come right back. Oh, that kind of round a little bit. Boom, there we go. So now I'm really feeling her, okay? Just a little bit. Now, I like the wig. I like the fit. It's nice and snug. I like the color. I like the layers I put in there, okay? So she's a keeper in my book. And I'm just looking at myself, y'all. I'm gonna be somebody fine as grandma. You hear me? Y'all, I'm gonna have to try to keep Leroy from hollering at me. You better back up, Leroy. I'm married and I ain't as old as you think I am, honey. Flat don't crack, okay? So yeah, quick, easy, simple review, simple style. So if you guys are interested in this wig, you already know I'm gonna leave that link down below so y'all can get your hands on her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.